we got a package, and it's from Swappie. I decided to purchase the most budget-friendly iPhone 14 Pro. I opted for fair condition, base model, and this set me back 915 euros. So if you wanna know what Swappie offers in this price range, then check out this review. Hey, my name is Joey and I'm reviewing pre-owned iPhones. Now, let's get straight into it. Full disclosure, this is not a sponsored review. Let's open the box carefully with my karambit knife. The phone looks stunning from the back with its gorgeous purple color. Well, it's a different story from the front with visible scratches, which I will show you in a bit, but now let's see what else is in the box. A genuine lightning cable and a SIM eject tool. Kudos to Swappie for these extras. Now let's power on this device. The phone turns on alright, which is a promising start. But before we continue with testing, let's go through a mandatory cleaning procedure. I'm using my trusted foam cleaner and a microfiber cloth, because you never know who had this phone before, right? Now that the phone is all cleaned up, let's take a closer look what we are working with. There are no scratches on the camera lens itself, which is a great sign, especially for a pro-level phone. The frosted glass back is without a single scratch inside. However, the aluminum frame has taken a beating from everyday use, especially around the lightning port. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but there's a deep scratch running across the lower half of the frame. The rest also shows signs of heavy use, and I'm inclined to believe that this phone was used without a case. Typically, you see scratches like these when a phone shares a bag with other sharp items, like car keys. There are two major scratches on the display, and I've spotted few minor ones, but they aren't visible from every angle. I have seen worse from Swappie in their so-called fair condition category, but this is what you typically get when you opt for the lowest possible quality. Alright, with that out of the way, let's quickly set up this phone. And I will configure Face ID. And now the crucial question, what's the battery health percentage on this phone? Since this phone is at most a year old, I'm expecting a fairly healthy number, and we got 95%, which is a bit lower than what I expected. To double check this, we can use a Mac and a Coconut battery app, and the app 262 cycles confirmed. I mean, this battery should easily last me through the whole day, but I'm not sure if I will keep the always on display enabled. Now let's move on to the most important test, the camera check. All three cameras are working flawlessly. I even shot this footage in pitch darkness, and the result is still impressive. Shooting with the ultra-wide lens in these conditions will show some noise though, so I don't recommend it. The main lens is 48 megapixels, allowing for some double zoom capabilities. In good lighting conditions, the ultra-wide lens delivers stunning footage too. And there's also the macro mode for the up-close shots. I have also tested the waterproof capabilities of this phone by submerging it underwater for a few seconds. All good here, the iPhone 14 Pro handled this test with ease. And last but not least, let's test if the display responds to touch inputs properly by playing some games like Crossy Roads. So far so good. Guys, despite this being a 120Hz display, I don't really notice a significant difference from a regular iPhone when playing games. Can you spot the higher refresh rate? Let me know in the comments below. Alright folks, that's a wrap. As for whether I will keep this phone, it's still up in the air. It's not too shabby, but I'm thinking about returning it and ordering something from the excellent quality category just to see the difference. Swappie phones are pretty expensive, so you might come across better deals elsewhere, but here you get a 12-month warranty and a 14-day return policy if things don't quite click with you. Just head to their website and you will find the instructions on how to return the phone. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one.